Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook rules in error. If you've been experiencing issues with your email rules not working properly, this tutorial will help you identify and resolve those errors quickly, ensuring your emails are organized exactly how you need them. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and your inbox has loaded completely before moving forward. This ensures that all your rules and settings are properly accessible. Once your email has been loaded, we'll need to access the Rules Management section. Navigate to your Home menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are displayed. Click on the Home tab to reveal all the available options in that section. This is where most of your email management features live. Once your Home menu has opened, look for the Rules option and click on it. You'll find this under the Move section from your Home tab. Clicking on Rules will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with several options related to email automation. From this drop-down, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This will open a dedicated window where you can view and edit all your existing rules. A Rules and Alerts window will appear on your screen. This is your control center for all email automation. From here, to fix the Outlook rules that are showing errors, you must first check on the rule description at the bottom part of your screen. This description area is crucial because it shows you exactly what each rule is supposed to do. For example, you might see something like move messages from someone to a folder. If there's an error, it usually means one of these parameters isn't properly defined. You must specify the correct description for each rule by clicking on the underlined blue text. These blue underlined links represent the variables in your rule that need to be configured. Click on each one to ensure they point to the correct sender, folder, or condition. If any of these links are broken or pointing to a non-existent folder, that's likely the source of your error. Update each parameter carefully, making sure the folders exist and the email addresses are correct. Once you've reviewed and corrected all the underlined parameters, click OK or Apply to save your changes. Outlook will then reprocess the rule and the error should be resolved. Your emails will now flow according to the corrected rules you've set up. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your Outlook rules in error by identifying and correcting the rule parameters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.